Hello my beautiful friends, welcome. My name is Christina Marie from BeautyAmaB. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, spoilers, and beauties. So today I have the spoilers for you for the Kinder Beauty. It is their 2022 limited edition Mother's Day box, a collection of relaxation, restorative products for the moms. The box does cost $44 and there's $150 worth of product in there. I want to welcome anybody who's new here. Thank you so much for checking us out. For all my return subscribers, you know I love spoiling you guys. Every month I do an eyeshadow palette giveaway. For the month of April, it is the Nomad Venice Simplian Express palette. Looks like this. This is mine. I do have a brand new one for you. Look in the description box down below under current giveaways. Talks about how to enter this one as well as my other giveaways that I've got coming up. I got a bunch of them, so be on the lookout for those. Giveaways are really easy. Be subscribed to the channel and watch the videos in their entirety. If you haven't subscribed already, I invite you to do so. We're such a fun laid-back group here. If you can do me a favor, hit that bell button, mark it to all. And if you are watching on a mobile device, go into your settings and mark those. I want you guys to know when I upload. Definitely want you guys to know when I do giveaways. I try and do a giveaway from each of my unboxings. Now, as far as what is on my eyes today, a little while ago, I did do kind of a pick your own colors combination from ColourPop, and this was kind of the palette that I put together, and I have these kind of pink shades on my eyes today. See me looking down, my notes are on my phone. So what Kinder Beauty says about this is moms deserve it all. Relaxation, restoration, and to feel as beautiful as they are inside and out. So treat your mom, your friends, or yourself. This indulgent collection featuring the loveliest beauty oil, an easy get exquisite set of nail stickers, a gorgeous organic Nutella melt, the favorite luxurious glow balm, and a relaxing bath bomb that gives back. So it's going to include the Hano Hawaiian Skincare Mahlani Moonlit Glow Balm. That itself has an $82 value. Now let your skin transform with this nourishing glow balm. It contains blue tansy, a unique and powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory flower, along with shea butter, jojoba oil, and other skincare powerhouses. LXMI Pure Nalactia Melt. It has a $28 value. There's only one ingredient, you guys, in this luxurious moisturizer that's 100% Nalacta. This buttery soft balm to oil treatment melts on application, infusing your skin with fatty acid, allantoin, and vitamin A. A little goes a long way, so apply it as a healing night mask or use as a spot treatment to any places you're a little dry. Andala Naturals 1000 Roses Moroccan Beauty Oil. It does retail for $20.99. This silky oil will beauty your whole body, your hair, your face, your neck, elbows, hands, even your nails and cuticles. Alpine Rose Stem Cell nourishes and smooths, while argan and pomegranate oils bring beneficial tannins and polyenes to tone and deeply moisturize whatever part of you needs a little extra love. Masserie Nail Sticker Momentous. It does have a $15 value. You don't have time to visit the salon or to do the cumbersome work of giving yourself an at-home mani. These easy yet exquisite stickers are not only convenient, but may have you forever turning your back on polish. The sleek modern matte design will let you flaunt your fingers in no time. The Mom Balm Inspiration Bath Bomb retails for $6.49. Indulge in the ultimate bathing experience with this relaxing balm. Reveal in a calming aroma of vanilla and caramel. As your stress melts away and your skin absorbs an infusion of the essential oils, including lemongrass, eucalyptus, and peppermint. Each balm carries extra impact too, since proceeds go towards helping moms in crisis. Absolutely love that. I thought this was a pretty good box. What did you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. Yeah, Mother's Day is gonna kind of be this year. Just It's the Sunday before my son comes home from college, so he'll have finals that weekend. So I don't want to go up and bug him, and I don't want him to come home. So, but we'll just celebrate it later. So what did you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. You can always chat with me there or over on Instagram. That handle is BeautyAmaB, followed by the letter B. You can chat with me on Twitter. It's that same BeautyAmaB, followed by the number 1. If you like this video, give it a big like. YouTube will now go ahead and insert another video for you. If you have the time, I greatly appreciate you checking it out. Have a beautiful rest of your day. Stay safe. Take care of yourselves. Take care of one another. And I will see you soon. Bye.